All right, move the string line 5 feet east right there. We need that section cleared before the excavators move in. All right, team, let's accelerate the leveling here. I need the elevation checked on this marker immediately.
We need to accelerate the pace on this south wall. Let's get that rebar secured before the next pour arrives.
Understood, we're on it. Move the pump left, watch the corner. We got it, running the vibrator now. All right, team, let's get these upper panels secured before the light shifts too much.
We need to finish laying this grass before the trucks arrive. And let's check the alignment on the sofa installation. The wiring for the chandelier needs to be fully concealed before we power it on.